Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the story Miss Slippery from 8th standard English book. First question, why could the notebook have fallen from Sayali's hand? Answer, the notebook fell from Sayali's hand because her teacher shouted on her and her angry look made her legs tremble. Second question, what happened when it was Sayali's turn to answer? Answer, when it was Sayali's turn to answer, she became blank. The teacher gave her a stern stare while she stood there still, with her hand hanging down in shame. Third question, what did Sayali long for from her mother? Answer, Sayali longed for from her mother that her mother should hold her and console her. She should give her sympathetic pat. Fourth question, why did Sayali begin crying again? Answer, Sayali began crying again because her younger brother came and sat beside her, and he placed his little hand on her arm and whispered, "Are you in great pain?" Sayali became overwhelmed and started crying again. Fifth question, by what name did the girls tease Sayali? Answer, they teased her by new title every day. They call her Slippery. Sixth question, why was Sayali told to do by teacher? Answer, teacher told her to see her in a teacher's room after the class. Seventh question, what two relationships did the teacher offer Sayali? Answer, elder sister and a friend. These two relationships teacher offered Sayali. Eighth question, why did Sayali feel like rejoicing a lot? Answer, Sayali felt like rejoicing a lot because her teacher spontaneously accepted her as a sister, a friend. Ninth question, how did Sayali react this time to the teasing? Answer, Sayali remembered her teacher's word and she turned her back to girls and ignored them completely. 10th question, what responsibilities did the teacher give Sayali? Answer, teacher gave the responsibility of bringing the register, chalk and duster every morning. Next question, what great change had come over in Sayali's heart? Answer, she was thrilled from top to toe. She felt her little heart inflate with pride. She found no awkwardness in moving about in her still wet frock, nor was there any trace of fear while returning home. That great change had come over in Sayali's heart. English workshop. Question number 1. Pick out some compound words from the lesson. Answer, notebook, all devouring, well prepared, high pitch, sometimes, somebody, antiseptic, never ending, classroom. Second question, Add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. Answer: obey, disobey, sympathetic, unsympathetic, honor, dishonor, afraid, unafraid, content, discontent. B. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective forms. Laugh, laughable, laughing. Thought, thoughtful, thoughtless. Forget, forgetful, forgettable. Care, careful, careless. Count, countable, countless. Fear, fearful, fearless. Move, movable, moving. Tear, tearful, tearable. Punish, punishable, punishing. Joy, joyful, joyous. Question number 3. Find words or expressions from the story which are similar in meaning to. First, very expensive, extravagant. 2. Longing for, yearning. 3rd, could not remember at all, went blank. 4th, constant, never ending or perpetual. Gather all one's courage, muster courage. Filled and increased in size, inflate. Paining badly, smarting. Forced to pay a big amount of money, pay through one's nose. Question number 4. Answer in short in your own words. First question. The history teacher had asked them to memorize it. What? Answer. Teacher had asked them to memorize the causes and effects of the Battle of Panipat. Second question. Sayali's new frock tore. How? Answer. One day, Sayali was coming down the school stairs. Somebody from the top gave a frantic scream. She fell and came tumbling down about 7 steps, and her new frock was torn at the seams. Third question. Sayali hugged him tight. Who? Answer. Sayali hugged tightly to her younger brother. Fourth question. Sayali was called slippery. Why? Answer. Sayali was called slippery because, first, she used to walk cautiously, yet she would often stumble. Second, others sleep on wet ground. Sayali managed to sleep even on dry land. Fifth question. Teacher told Sayali to meet her in the teacher's room. When? Answer. Teacher told Sayali to meet her in the teacher's room after the class. Sixth question. Teacher asked Sayali to carry the notebooks. Where? Answer. Teacher asked Sayali to carry the notebooks to the teacher's room. Sixth question. Write what expressions does a person use in the following situations. First, when a person gets a sudden fright. Oh no, oh dear. Second, when a person is very nervous. I'm afraid that. Third question, when a person is tensed. I am really worried. Fourth, when a person is very happy. I am so happy that. Fifth question, when a person is very confident. I am sure that. Sixth question, when a person is very angry. It really annoyed that. Seventh question, when a person is very sad. I am sorry, but. Language study questions. First, fill the forms of hope in the following table. Break, broke, broken. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Sing, sang, sung. Buy, bought, bought. Drive, drove, driven. Fall, fell, fallen. Know, knew, known. Run, ran, run. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. Second question. Say whether the following sentences are in continuous tense or perfect tense. First, I was entering the class. Continuous tense. Second, the girls are teasing me. Continuous tense. Third, I haven't said a word to you. Perfect tense. Fourth, never before had anyone lavished love on me. Perfect tense. Fifth, you are going to be responsible for it. Continuous tense. Sixth, according to the teacher, I have dropped the notebook on purpose. Perfect tense. Fourth question, turn the following sentences into polite request. Example, show me the way to post office. Would you please show me the way to post office? Question number 1. Take me to your teacher. Answer, would you mind taking me to your teacher? Second, tell me something about your school. Answer, do you mind telling me something about your school? Third, give me the details about your extracurricular activities. Answer, would you give me the details about your extracurricular activities? Sixth question, provide me the information about books in your school library. Answer, could you please provide me the information about books in your school library?